Okay, my friends, Tom Ballard here, your online entrepreneur with another video for you. Today's topic, marketing live good with YouTube. Why you want to get into taking a look at doing it that way. If you ain't doing it on the platform already, this is one of the better ones, because we shall see, and I'll tell you why right now. Gonna go from my Live Good site here. I always check in daily to see what's going on traffic wise. Now, this video is not going to be a really lengthy technical how to set up a YouTube channel, doing this, tagging this way, and adding end cards and SEO optimization. No, that would take like literally half an hour, guys, at least, probably multiple parts. This is about why you want to use it as a traffic source, a lead source, expose the business, products, etc. Because these lengthier videos, they don't go anywhere. There are videos people have done for their companies that are getting them leads, sign-ups, and sales they did a year or two ago because they still rank. That's the key thing, man. When people start coming to your YouTube channel, they keep coming back. Since I started doing Live Good, my subscribers have doubled. I don't have a big channel. I got 81 subscribers, and this is why another reason I'm doing it, because you don't need a ton of subscribers to start getting traffic here. I had like 31. Because I wasn't using it. I briefly used it for a company that I've been in forever, but stopped doing them because I was focusing on Twitter and Pinterest and Facebook and some other channels, LinkedIn. You know, for some reason I just shut the videos down, and I was doing a walking channel for videos. That's what I was doing. But then I realized when I get in Live Good, I'm seeing all these videos because I'm searching. You know, people use YouTube as a search engine, second biggest search engine there is. So, because they're visual, we're all visual, and they want to get their dopamine rush, whatever. So they're checking YouTube for Live Good or whatever, the supplement industry. So they'll punch it in, and if your video comes up on the first page, especially, you want it to get as high as you can. I mean, I'm not on the first page for all my tags, but I'm getting a lot of views that I didn't expect. Like, I'll show you my biggest one right now is the compensation plan. It's already at 851. It's only 2 weeks old. And when I started, that was one of my earlier videos. I only had 30 subscribers. So if you do the right hashtags, and the thumbnail is super important. That part I want to emphasize, thumbnails. Got to catch their attention. And I've stuck with you want to stick with a certain theme, like color scheme, etc. So when people see your first couple of videos, they'll be looking for the next ones. When they see it in the suggested column there, well, I know that guy. I like what he does. I see his tags and his logo and whatever, they jump in. I mean, you can have variations. I've tried a few variations with these last couple of ones with Pinterest and Twitter, but they're one of my lower ones. Well, the Twitter one's doing all right, but yeah. And sometimes you don't go on how many days you've got views, because sometimes it takes a while, and then all of a sudden, boom, it'll take off like the 800 one. It was slow to start, but then, man, 100 like every couple of days views. I go, wow, I'm glad, but it's like I'm trying to figure it out so I can duplicate it, right? You never know which one's going to take off. But that leads into your other videos, because you put end cards and suggested videos at the end before you wrap up. So they have a tendency to go click it, whatever you want them to see the most. But yeah, guys, this is already over 1,100 views, and it's only been a couple of weeks. And like I said, I've only got 81 subscribers. I'm not no YouTube guru. I know a few things. I'm doing my best. But again, and it's a good thing with people are visual, right? It's one thing to tell them, but if you got a video on the compensation plan, they can go watch it over and over again. And they leave comments. You want people to leave comments and likes, and that pushes it up. It makes the YouTube algorithm think that people are loving your stuff for a reason, so they'll promote it more. And man, yeah. And another thing that I got to get onto, I would recommend you, especially if you don't like the longer form videos, and most of mine are like maximum 10, 12 minutes. Some of these are really short, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. You know, there's a debate as to what length is the best for getting people to stick around and this and that. But with the short form videos, everybody's losing their attention span. So I'm going to start adding shorts. And if you want to, you can actually make a whole channel with shorts, 15 seconds or whatever. To me, sometimes that's harder to do. I can sit here and freewheel like I'm doing with this one. It's already been 5 minutes. But I'm trying to sit down. What can I say for 15 seconds to get people's attention? To me, that's almost more difficult. So I'm still working on that. But man, you know how many shorts you can do? You could bank them. You could record about 30 shorts and pop out a couple a day. And you've got a month's worth of shorts, driving you traffic, getting you subscribers, building your brand awareness for what you do. You know, you don't always have to do it straight for LiveGood. You can just you can market yourself as a home business, you know, authority, affiliate marketing authority. And if you want to put LiveGood at the forefront of that, that's fine, right? Because most people that are doing LiveGood, not all, are doing something else already. That's what I keep telling people. Take the link, click the link at the bottom and take the tour and see why. I just saw that there's a huge guy from Amway that came in. I mean, the guy's making a fortune with Amway. He sees what they're doing at LiveGood. He goes, well, man, I'm getting in because this is a new model. This is a new model of direct sales network, whatever you want to call it. You got to check it out, guys. The retention rate's nuts. People ranking up. The rate is about 20%. Company average is 3%. That's unheard of. The product prices are nuts. Even if you don't want to do the business, get your health supplements here. The prices are nuts. But yeah, guys, YouTube. I'm going to click. See, I'll show you my shorts. I only have a handful because I got to get better at the texts and stuff. And I just recently started finding out what few hashtags to use and stuff. And I haven't got a ton of views, 21 views, 17. So there's ways to help them go more viral. That's what I'm going to work on. I'm probably going to transition from these longer videos into that until more products come out with LiveGood. And I can figure out what other things to do videos on, because I don't want to just spew them out for nothing and bore people and be redundant and stuff. But yeah, guys, YouTube, massive traffic source. And there's ways to do faceless ones too. You don't got to show your face on here. You can, the screen recorder I use, you can go just totally with the screen and have your voice in the background. They don't got to see you. If you want to do it that way, there's a ton of faceless YouTube channels that are massive. They make tons of Google ad revenue. They sell a ton of affiliate products at their links below the video. That's where the key is. You drive them towards your links for whatever you've got at the bottom. Tour, affiliate pages, products, whatever, what camera you use. There's tons of things you can do with YouTube. People make a living with it, right? But and a lot of the ones that in the LiveGood company, I see they're doing a lot of YouTube. They're on all the other. Some of them are all on all the platforms, but a lot of them are mostly either Facebook or YouTube. Me, I'm focusing right now on YouTube and Twitter. I don't know, I seem to get a lot of Twitter traffic. But, again, don't be like me and be all over the place. Pick one of them, run with it, quasi-master it, and just get leads, traffic, and start talking to people. If they jump in on the comments, that's another cool thing. Right? You can get people connected with people that way. Put your links down below. Even in the comments, you can put links, right? And there's certain little techniques. Like I said, there's a lot of tutorial videos out there on how to do YouTube properly for maximum effect. Me was a lot of trial and error, good grief. And I like I said, I know probably 3 out of 10 of what I need to know. But that's just me. I got a lot of tech issues and health problems and blah, blah, blah. So unlike a lot of you guys would be just killing it. I know I've heard your voices. You know, whether you want to go faceless or not, don't matter. Just get on there. And the more you do, the better you get at them. Like, I rarely do more than one take. I don't know how. I just get on here and start going on the mic. And maybe I forget stuff. That's fine. But I hate doing editing. That's the good thing about the shorts. 15 seconds. If you mess up, you can go back and click redo it. It's not like me. If I screw up a 30-minute video, I'm done. I'm getting a headache. I want to go have a coffee and forget it. But yeah, start with a short form. Get used to being on the mic. Get being used on the camera. Get some editing skills going. And you might even stick with that, because you can take your YouTube shorts and repurpose them on TikTok. You can build a whole TikTok channel from YouTube shorts. It's amazing what you can do. And the same with Instagram Reels, and you can put them on Facebook. There's 4 platforms with the shorter videos. So if you don't want to do what I'm doing, I would do both. I would get going with the shorts and then start adding some long, because you can take your time, right? Once you've got some skills, you'll see how these ones, because a lot of those other ones, they just disappear in a day. People see them when they're done. They don't come back. But these, like I said, can go on for years. Like, the longer this company is here, the more your stuff will be 1,000 views, 2,000 views. So yeah, guys, that was a quick one. I don't want to go long here because it's not a setup, how to set up a YouTube channel. All that stuff is way, way, way longer. But I just wanted to give you a tip as to why it's a good thing. Everybody's visual. They like looking at stuff like the old catalogs or whatever. So they hear your voice, see you, get to know you, like you, trust you. It's a form of attraction marketing. Trust me, I ain't the most outgoing guy. I was the shyest guy in the world growing up. And go faceless if you want. Faceless TikTok, faceless YouTube, whatever. Just give it a try. Get some advice. Network with your buddies. Let me know how it goes, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. It really helps. I appreciate you. I hope you're blessed in your business. Check out my links below. Live good. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.